student. I hope you are doing well. I am Pramochan Joshi from HMJ SV Inter College. Today we will start chapter 2 linear equation in one variable exercise 1 2.2. In previous video we did up to question number 9. Now we will start question number 10. Question number 10 is the number of boys and girls in the class are in the ratio of 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total strength of class? It is given that the number of boys and girls in the class are in the ratio. Number of boys, ratio of boys and girls. Ratio of boys and equal to 7:5. And it is given number of boys, let number of boys, let number of girls be x and number of boys equal to x plus number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. According to question, number of boys, ratio of boys and girls, x plus 8 upon x equal to 7 upon 5. 7 upon 5. 7 ratio 5 ratio 7. 7 ratio 5, sorry. 7 ratio 5. Now we will cross multiplication. We will do cross multiplication. 7x equal to 5x plus 5 8 40. Now we will transpose 5x into left hand side. 7x minus 5x, this will be negative sign, equal to 40. 2x equal to 40. We will divide both sides by 2. Both sides by 2. Then x equal to 22. 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे 40 को तो we will get 20. x equal to 20. So number of girls equal to 20. Number of boys equal to 28. Total class strength. It is asked that total class strength equal to 20 plus 28, that is 48. This is the answer of the question. Now student, question number 11. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. Baichung के फादर जो है अपने ग्रैंडफादर से 26 ईयर छोटे हैं एंड 29 years older than Baichung, और Baichung से 29 years बड़े हैं Baichung के फादर. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135. What is the age of each one of them? So let Baichung age be x. Baichung की एज x है और Baichung's father's age equal to x plus 29. It is given that and 25 years older than Baichung father. So, or Baichung's grandfather's age equal to x plus 29 plus, Baichang's father is 26 years younger than Baichang's grandfather. So grandfather 26 years. We add x plus 6 plus 9, 5, 2 to 4 plus 5. Now, according to question, the sum of ages of all the three, we will do all the three, sum of ages of all the three, x plus 29 plus x plus 55 equal to 135. Now, you will see that x plus x plus x, that is 3x, and 29 plus 55. 9 plus 5, 4, 5 or 2, 7 plus 8, 1, 8 equal to 135, and we will transpose 84 to right hand side. Then 3x equal to 135 minus 84. 3x equal to 151, and we will divide both sides of the equation by 3. 3 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. Then x equal to 51, 17. X equal to 17. Baichang's age, you will write here, Baichang's age equal to 17 years. And Baichang's father's age is x plus 29, that is 17 plus 29, 46 years. And Baichang's grandfather's age is x plus 55, that is 17 plus 55, 72 years. We will write here Baichang's age, Baichang's father's age, Baichang's grandfather's age, you will write. Now question number 12. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? Let Ravi's present age be x. ओके, कहा है कि 15 years from now Ravi's age, 15 years from now, Ravi's age इक्वल टू x प्लस 15. अभी रवि की एज x है, 15 years बाद x प्लस 15 हो जाएगी. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि रवीज एज विल बी 4 times हिज प्रेजेंट एज. अब 15 years from now, अब से 15 साल बाद x प्लस 15 एज हो जाएगी और उसकी प्रेजेंट एज अभी x है, तो कितनी हो जाएगी 4 times उसकी प्रेजेंट एज की 4 टाइम इसको कर देंगे तो दोनों इक्वेशन बैलेंस हो जाएगी, बराबर हो जाएगी. इसको 4 टाइम कर देंगे प्रेजेंट एज का तो दोनों इक्वल हो जाएंगे. तो अब नाउ वी विल सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन. वी विल ट्रांसपोज x इनटू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. 4x minus x equal to 15, then 3x equal to 15, and x equal to 15 upon 3, x equal to 5 years. Now Ravi's age is 5 years, present age is 5 years. Dear student, question number 13 now. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3, the product you get minus 7 upon 12. What is the number? Let the number be x. अब क्या कहा गया? When you multiply it by 5 by 2, according to question, when you multiply by 5 by 2, the number 5 by 2, when you multiply the number 5 and add 2 by 3 to the product, ये प्रोडक्ट आ गया. इस प्रोडक्ट में हमने क्या ऐड किया? 2 by 3 ऐड किया. You get minus 7 upon 12. Minus 7 upon 12. Now, what is the number? What is the number? You will solve this equation. 5 upon 2x plus 2 by 3 equal to minus 7 upon 12. Now 5 by 2x equal to minus 7 by 12 minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3, you will change the denominator. LCM of 3 and 12 will be 12. Then you will change into denominator having equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3 having denominator 12. So minus 7 upon 12 minus 2, 3 multiplied by 4. 7 upon 12 minus 8 upon 12. Now 12 is LCM. Minus 7 minus 8. You will add both the minus 15 upon 12. If you will simplify it, this is 5 upon 2x. 5 upon 2x. 5 upon 2x. 5 upon 2x equal to 3 5 is 15. 3 4 is 12. So 5 upon 2x equal to minus 5 upon 4. Now you will multiply 2 by 5 both side the equation. 2 by 5 से आप multiply करेंगे, 2 by 5 से ये cancel हो जाएगा. यहाँ भी 2 by 5 से आप multiply करेंगे. यहाँ आप देखते हैं cancel हो जाएगा. x equal to 5 से 5 cancel हो गया. 2 2 जो 4. आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं ऊपर 1 नीचे 1. तो x equal to minus 1 upon 2. The number is x equal to minus 1. The value of the number is x 1 minus 1 upon 2. Now question number 14. Question number 14 is Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination does she have? So, the ratio of notes, the ratio of 100 rupee, 50 rupee and 10 rupee notes equal to 2:3:5. The ratio of 100 rupee, 50 rupee and 10 rupee note are 2:3:5. Let the number of 100 rupee, 50 rupee and 10 rupee note equal to 2x, 3x and 5x respectively. Number of 100 rupee note 2x and number of 50 rupee note 3x, number of 10 rupee note 5x. And total cost of these total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh rupees. So total we will add 2x according to question. 2x plus 3x plus 5x equal to 4 lakh rupees, 4 lakh. Now 5, 3, 8 plus 2, 10. 5 plus 2 plus 3. Now the cost of the notes, cost of this 100 rupee note cost will be 2x multiply by 100. तो आपके 100 रुपए की कॉस्ट 2x नोट है तो 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, द कॉस्ट ऑफ 100 रुपी नोट टोटल कॉस्ट आ जाएगी. एंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ 50 रुपी नोट 3x मल्टीप्लाई बाय 50 एंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ 10 रुपी नोट 10x 5x multiply by 10. So this will be the total cost, and total cost is 4 lakh rupees. And now 200x plus 153 150x plus 50x equal to 4 lakh. Now you are saying that 150 plus 50, that is 200. 200 plus 200, 400x. 400x equal to 4 lakh. X equal to, you will divide by 400. Four 1 जा 4 0 0 0. X equal to 1000. The value of x equal to 1000. The 100 rupee note, number of 100 rupee note equal to 2x. 2x यानी कि 2 multiply by 1000, you will get 2000. Number of 50 rupee notes equal to 3x. 3 multiply by 1000, that is 3000. Are you getting my point? Now number of 10 rupees notes equal to 5x. 10 rupee note 5x. 5 multiply by, you will put the value of x equal to 1000, that is 5000. The number of 100 rupee note 2000, number of 50 rupee note 3000, and number of 10 rupee note 5000. Dear student, now question number 15. Question number 15. Question number 15 is, I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denomination rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. The total number of coin is 160. How many coins of each denomination are with me? तो मेरे पास कितने कितने के सिक्के कितने कितने हैं ये बताने हैं. तो एक ये दिया हुआ है कि number of 2 rupees coin is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. Number of 5 rupees coins, let the number of 5 rupees coins equal to x. So the number of 3 rupees coins is 2 rupees coin. Number of 2 rupees coins is 3 times the number of number of 2 rupees coins. Number of 2 rupees coins. 2 rupees coins equal to 3 times of 5 rupees coins. टोटल कॉइन कितने हैं? टोटल कॉइन टोटल कॉइन टोटल कॉइन कितने हैं? टोटल कॉइन ऑन 160. तो नंबर ऑफ 1 रुपी. अब कितने रुपए के कॉइन बचे? 1 रुपी. नंबर ऑफ 1 रुपी कॉइन इक्वल टू 160 माइनस x प्लस 3. ये दोनों कॉइन 160 में से माइनस कर देंगे तो आपके 1 रुपए के कॉइन बच जाएंगे, क्योंकि टोटल कॉइन जो है 160. तो नाउ 160 माइनस 4x, ये 1 रुपए के कॉइन हो जाएंगे. अब ये टोटल कॉस्ट इनकी कितनी है? टोटल ऑफ 300 रुपीज 300. तो इसका 1 रुपीज के कितने हो जाएंगे? 1 रुपीज का 160 माइनस 4x, तो इसको 1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, टोटल कॉस्ट इतनी हो जाएगी. प्लस 2 रुपीज के कॉइन को 2 रुपीज से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. 2 रुपीज के कॉइन कितने हैं? 2 इंटू 3x. प्लस 5 रुपीज के कॉइन कितने हैं? x, तो 5x इक्वल टू 300. ये आपका ऐसे इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे. अब आप देख रहे हैं यहां पर 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 160 माइनस 4x प्लस 6x प्लस 5x इक्वल टू 300. अब ये 5 और 6, 160 माइनस 4x माइनस 6x, 4x माइनस 6x, दैट इज प्लस का 2x एंड प्लस 5x. ये 2x हो जाएगा एंड दिस इज 5x इक्वल टू 300. एंड 160 plus 7x equal to 300, and we will transform 160 to RHS. So then 7x, this will be negative sign. 7x equal to 0, 4 and 114. We will subtract this. Now x equal to 140 अपॉन 7, दैट इज 20. तो आपका यहां पर देखिए x इक्वल टू 20 आ गया. तो नंबर ऑफ 5 रुपीज कॉइन विल बी, यू विल राइट हियर, नंबर ऑफ 5 रुपीज कॉइन इक्वल टू x इक्वल टू 20. नंबर ऑफ 2 रुपीज कॉइन 3 इंटू 20, दैट इज 80. एंड नंबर ऑफ 1 रुपी कॉइन 160 माइनस 4 into 20, that is 160 minus 80. 160 minus 80, 80. So number of 5 rupees coin 20, number of 2 rupees coin 80, number of 1 rupee coin here you are seeing that 3 multiplied by 20 equal to 3 to the 60. Number of 2 rupees coin will be 60, and number of 1 rupee coin 160 minus 80, that is 80. You are now getting number of 5 rupees coin 20, number of 2 rupees coin 3 multiplied by 20, that is 60, and number of 1 rupees coin 80. And now question number 16. The organizer of essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets prize of rupees 100 and a participant who does not win gets a prize of rupees 25. The total prize money distributed is rupees 3000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. Let the number of winners, let the number of winners be x. Number of other participant be, total number of participants is 63. तो अदर पार्टिसिपेंट कितने हो जाएंगे? 63 माइनस x हो जाएंगे. Now according to question, विनर गेट्स ₹100. तो 100 मल्टीप्लाई बाई x प्लस अदर पार्टिसिपेंट कितने हैं 63 माइनस x. पार्टिसिपेंट जो विन नहीं कर रहे हैं उनको 25 रुपीज मिलेगा. तो 25 तो कॉस्ट कितनी हो जाएगी 25 मल्टीप्लाई बाय द अदर पार्टिसिपेंट एंड 100 रुपीज विनर को मिलेंगे. तो 100 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द विनर्स नंबर ऑफ विनर्स इक्वल टू टोटल कॉस्ट प्राइस कितनी है. टोटल प्राइस डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड 3000. Now you are seeing that 100x plus you will multiply 25 and 63 and this bracket 25 3 ja 75 7 25 6 ja 150 plus 7 157 minus 25 multiplied by x 25x equal to 3000. Now 100x minus 25x you will get 75x. You will subtract plus 1575 equal to 3000. Now x 75x equal to 3000 minus 1575. 75x equal to you will subtract 5 and 9 minus 7 2 9 minus 5 4 3 minus 1 that is 2 minus 1 that is 1. And now you will divide by 75 both side the equation. X equal to 1425 upon 75. Now you will divide. First of all, you can divide by 25. 25 3 ja 75. 25 5 ja 125. And when you will subtract 125 from 142, you will get 17, and that will be 1 carry. So 175 and 25 7 ja 175. 57 हो जाएगा. X equal to 57 upon 3. When you will divide by 3, 57 को divide करेंगे तो you will get 19. The number of winners will be 19. Thank you.